And now we're going to show you how to make a new catalog. If you fire up Adobe Lightroom, so you see down here on my dock, I fired this up, and if you have it set in your preferences, you will have the select catalogs to open right here. If you want a new catalog, create a new catalog is right down here on the bottom. So click down here, and you can go to your Google Drive, which is usually over here on the left hand side. Mine's set up a little bit differently. So you go to your Google Drive, your ComTech folder, your Photography 2 folder, and now we need to give it a title, like example catalog, because I'm not that creative. Example catalog, good, and I'm going to hit create. And when it does that, we'll just take a look in my Google Drive over here, and when I double click on it, you'll see ComTech Photography 2 Example Catalog. And you will notice that this is the main catalog file, but then there's also some data files and everything like that. It puts it all in its own folder. So don't worry about making a folder for it. It makes its own folder right here. Okay? Now, very important to understand that this catalog is not your pictures. Your pictures can be anywhere around your hard drive at all. I am asking you to put them in your Google Drive into your Photography 2 folder. So you might have your pictures in here and all that kind of thing. But they can be anywhere. Your catalog is just a list of all of the things that you've done to your photos, like making it black and white, changing the exposure, changing the contrast, putting in a gradient, all that stuff. It's just a list of all the things that you've done to that photo. And that's why Lightroom works really well. It doesn't change the original photo. It just keeps a list of all the things that you've done to it, and it keeps that in the catalog. Doesn't change the original photo, right? Okay, and that's, oh, I should add one more thing. If you don't have those settings in your preferences, you can make a new catalog by going up to File and picking New Catalog. It's as easy as that.